Welcome to the Auto Vault. Today, we bring you the MANSORY Ferrari 812 GTS, a masterpiece of power and exclusivity. MANSORY, known for pushing the limits of luxury and performance, has transformed the already spectacular Ferrari 812 GTS into a bespoke work of art. With aggressive aerodynamics, a powerful V12 engine, and unmatched exclusivity, does this tuned beast redefine open-top supercar performance? Let's dive into its design, engine, performance, technology, safety, and pricing. 1. Design. Extreme aerodynamics with a bold presence. MANSORY has taken the Ferrari 812 GTS and given it a completely new personality with full carbon fiber widebody kit for enhanced aerodynamics, aggressive front bumper with larger air intakes for improved cooling, redesigned hood with carbon vents for better airflow management, wide fender extensions giving it a more muscular stance, massive rear wing and new diffuser for increased downforce, forged ultra-lightweight wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, custom color schemes and unique interior trims for each client. This widebody transformation ensures the MANSORY 812 GTS not only turns heads but also dominates aerodynamically. 2. Engine and performance. The ultimate naturally aspirated V12. The 812 GTS already boasts one of the most powerful naturally aspirated V12s, but MANSORY takes it to another level. 6.5L naturally aspirated V12. Power. 830 HP, up from 800 HP. Torque. 740 Newton meters. 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds. Top speed exceeding 345 km/h. Custom exhaust system for an even more aggressive V12 roar. With MANSORY's tuning, the 812 GTS is sharper, faster, and more responsive, delivering an unparalleled open-top driving experience. 3. Interior and technology. Luxury meets motorsport. Step inside, and you're greeted by a fully customized interior, blending Italian craftsmanship with MANSORY's signature luxury. Hand-stitched premium leather and Alcantara upholstery. Carbon fiber trim elements throughout the cabin. Flat-bottom steering wheel with MANSORY paddle shifters. MANSORY digital instrument cluster with custom graphics. High-end infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Racing-inspired bucket seats with enhanced support. Every detail is tailored for ultimate comfort and exclusivity, making the cabin as breathtaking as the performance. 4. Safety and driving aids. Raw power with control. Despite its brutal power, MANSORY ensures that the 812 GTS remains safe and stable. Upgraded carbon ceramic brakes for enhanced stopping power. Active aerodynamics for better high-speed stability. Traction control and advanced stability systems tuned for maximum grip. Driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and parking sensors. Even with its extreme performance, the MANSORY 812 GTS offers control and confidence for both road and track driving. 5. Price and verdict. A collector's dream. With MANSORY's ultra-exclusive customization, the price of the 812 GTS transformation varies based on personalization, but expect. Base Ferrari 812 GTS price, $450,000 plus. MANSORY customization package, $250,000 plus. Fully spec'd MANSORY 812 GTS, over $700,000. Final verdict. The ultimate Ferrari 812 GTS. The MANSORY Ferrari 812 GTS is a bold statement, a combination of raw performance, extreme styling, and handcrafted luxury. For those who want their V12 Ferrari to be truly one of a kind, this MANSORY creation is the pinnacle of exclusivity. What do you think of this insane widebody Ferrari? Would you choose it over the stock 812 GTS? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Auto Vault for more exclusive car content. Thank you very much.